Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good, and if you're new to this channel, hopefully you won't leave without subscribing. So in today's video I will be installing this 8-inch bob wig, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll leave all the specs of the hair down in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get straight into this video. I just love this hair. That's the very first thing I'm gonna say to you guys. This is an 8-inch Brazilian unit in color 01, and it's a ready-made wig. The packaging of this wig is so beautiful. I love what this company did to it, but the only problem that I have with the whole package, it doesn't come with the manual. But this is a very easy wig for a beginner, and I received 2 wig caps, as you guys see that I'm wearing one in the video, and the hair is protected with this plastic. So the wig is also protected with a hair net, and inside the wig also has white paper. I don't know what people do call this white paper, but usually people do get these papers stuffed inside their bag, so the bag doesn't lose its form. So it's more like that situation. This wig also has drawstrings, elastic bands, as I would say, and from your left side and your right side there's also hair clips, and in the middle as well, yeah, in the middle, as you guys will see in the video. So last, I've been wearing this wig, and I'm sure you guys have seen from my Instagram and throughout my social media. Obviously, I've been wearing this wig, trying to test it out, and with the shipping cost, the shipping was free, but let me tell you, I didn't expect to be paying customs, obviously, for this wig, but I paid 200 and something, but it was not more than 250 if you're in South Africa. So for customs, girl, ALIEXPRESS will kill you, boo. But if you want to purchase this wig, I'll leave the link down in the description box for you guys. And right now I'm just straightening my hair with my old straightener. So this hairstyle is my go-to. I basically bought this hair only just so I can wear it around winter, but it arrived before winter could end, right? But anyway, this is still my favorite wig so far, and it took like 3 weeks to arrive, yeah, because it was stuck in customs, you know, most when you buy things from ALIEXPRESS. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Comment down below what video you guys want to see next, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, obviously. and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.